this? Look at this line. What's going on? Dave and I are going into Florence today to soak up some inspiration for some final details to make this house extra special.
What are you guys waiting on?
Little vino in the window.
Oh, the wine window.
Oh, does it really work?
It does. Ring the bell.
Little man just...
That's amazing. Okay, we have to get in line.
All right,
Okay, we're getting in line. Enjoy. In the 1600s, these little wine windows were created in order for businesses to serve wine and food right out of their house. The goal for the Camposasso renovation has always been to incorporate history and local traditions into the house. Rebecca and Pierre have a wine tour business. They have a wine and cheese shop. They have the cheese cellar at Camposasso. So adding in a wine window is the perfect fit with their life and the local region.
Yep. All right, so today we need to start finishing up these last spaces. Rebecca and Pierre officially have bookings. There's no choice now. It's got to be done. We have finished the cheese cellar, the kitchen, the bathrooms, but we still have got to do the living room, the bedrooms, outdoor patios, and the pantry.
Okay, let's check it out.
In the pantry, Rebecca and Pierre want wine storage across the entire back wall. They also want shelves on either side that will hold canned fruits and vegetables from the garden, as well as olive oil.
So I was thinking, you know, we found the old window up here when we put the hole in the wall for the wine. It is a window, and if you go to the outside of the house, it's really low, so it makes sense to be a wine window on the outside. So do we make that a wine window and like just prop a ladder up?
Little piece. Bravo, Dave.
That's cute.
How about
Yeah.
the bicchieri?
See?
We'll need to cut out the iron and add a door.
But then Rebecca and Pierre will have a wine window at Camposasso. Crews are starting to hang the doors in the bedroom and install the trim.
All right, so today, last day in Camposasso. So it's Ginny and I's final day at Camposasso before we have to head back to Bentonville for a couple months. We're meeting with Pierre to discuss the pantry. Our original plan was sidewalls filled up with cabinet space, but Pierre has some concerns about the budget, so we may have to pivot.
I'm picturing a stack here of storage. Oh, hey, Frisbee.
Frisbee.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, and you?
Buongiorno, Frisbee.
Still working?
Good to see you. Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
oh yeah.
Out of to do.
We're looking at this pantry, the little wine window. We got that all opened up. So we're gonna pull out the iron so you can have a normal size
Can make
glass.
a normal glass for the window.
Then now we're just kind of trying to figure out how to get up to it.
Our main problem is also the money problem right now.
Right.
We are out of budget, so
Yeah.
I would like to postpone this later.
So you don't want to do the pantry at all?
We would love to that,
Right.
but we cannot afford it.
Okay. So no pantry right now.
I cannot afford it. No pantry.
Okay. Yeah. So you can just add
Okay.
the shelving later.
So,
That's fine.
you know, I have another priority. The barrels from the previous owner. There's wine inside from that he made, and then we
Can we-
build maybe the pantry around the barrels.
All right. Can we grab one and see?
Yeah,
let's
Where
get
it
that.
will fit?
Let's look to
Okay.
get one and to see
Okay.
how it can fit.
The previous owner left 3 barrels of homemade wine on the property. Now that we're not doing the full walk-in pantry to save budget, we can do a tasting room highlighting these Vinsanto barrels.
All right. So we need to build something to hold these because these won't fit on here.
I'm almost thinking we build a cabinet, maybe just one cabinet
Yeah.
that goes here, and then we can stack the barrels on top of that cabinet, and then in the front, we could have maybe X's like that hold
Yeah, we
wine
could.
bottles.
Yeah.
I almost think we could do like just some nice chairs. Like, you know, you think of like a bar.
Like a cigar room.
Yeah.
Like a cigar room, but wine room, but like some nice like leather chairs. We have the space. It could just be this really cozy
It's beautiful in here.
room. I love it. I think it's way better than a walk-in pantry because this is a vacation rental. So you don't really need a huge walk-in pantry. So this room now will become the wine room, which will lower the cost of the room from 20,000 euro to around 5,000. So for this new plan, the focus of the room will be the central cabinet holding the 3 wine barrels. We'll have a ladder to the wine window, and then we can do some pretty chairs and a nice table, and we'll just create a space that guests will want to come in and hang out. And what I love about it the most is that these 3 barrels that are so special to this property and that are so special to Rebecca and Pierre are going to be the centerpiece.
This may end up being the best room in the house.
I think so.
Always around wine's always the best place, no?
I love it.
Oh,
Let's go get that other barrel.
Okay.
I am determined to finish this wine rack today because we head back home early tomorrow morning, and our next trip out here will be our last. But we're leaving the house in great hands with this amazing team we've assembled over the last year, who will push the rest of the work to complete this massive project.
The exterior is getting a refresh. We're removing existing pathways, making way for all new hardscaping around the entire property.
Plumbing and electrical throughout the house is still being finalized.
The custom light fixtures I had made are starting to go in. And the built-in bookcase is being installed in the living room. There's a lot of work that's been done, but we still have a lot left to do to get this house ready for the big opening day.
This is it. This is our final trip back to Italy. Rebecca and Pierre, they have guests lined up for the new year.
We only have 1 week left to finish bringing in all the furniture. We need to finish the pergola, the wine window, and the sheep shed, as well as furnish and decorate the entire house.
So while Giacomo's crew wraps up construction, our mission is furniture and decor. All right, so are you climbing up there or am I climbing up there?
I can climb up there.
You're offering to climb the ladder?
You know what? I think for my next job, what I want to be is a wine window.
Giver outer.
What a dream job. People knock and you hand them wine. Okay, here, you hand these to me. Let me get up there. Okay. All right,
They are going to be here any second.
Go meet them. Knock on the window when they're here.
Okay.
Now, Rebecca and Pierre have not seen the house fully furnished, all of the final touches in place, so I'm really anxious, excited, nervous.
Babe, I hear them coming.
Okay, I'm ready. Hi!
Hello.
All the emotions for them to see it finally all pulled together.
Yeah.
It's been a long week. We're ready.
We're ready.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh, I can't believe this.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Hello.
Wow, look at this. I mean, we've seen it, but not cleaned up.
I know, isn't it? Like
Yeah.
the sign, the light,
Yeah,
everything.
amazing. I love it. Where's Jenny?
Oh, well, come here.
Oh.
Come here. So, I need you to go and I need you to knock on that little door right there.
Green window. Wow.
It's a magic door.
There you go.
Okay, you can come out of the cave. Come out here.
That's a good start, this.
Okay, wait for me.
Cheers. Salute.
Yesterday,
Yeah, I can
we
see that.
started putting this in. It's still not cured out.
Yeah.
But it took a lot to that little window.
That's it. Mwah. Mwah. Isn't it so cute? It is so cute.
But how fun for your guests when they come here. This
Oh,
is how you can
Amazing.
treat them.
All right.
Okay. Yes.
Over the glass.
Ooh, wow.
Can have a party right away.
Yes. Look at that table. Did you make it?
I did.
Oh, wow.
I did.
It's fantastic.
We replaced the front door. So now you have
Right.
a beautiful door, which was so
Yes.
important because it's the first thing people see
Yeah.
when they enter your home. It's so important. So you have the green shutters, inspired by the olive groves, the new lighting. Okay, you ready to go in?
Yes.
Okay, we'll follow you. Go
All right.
ahead.
So excited. Wow. Look at that. Wow. This is so welcoming. It really
Yes.
feels very Tuscan. It's gorgeous.
When we first talked, we were thinking about taking this wall out, remember?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
opening all
Yes.
this up.
Yeah.
We weren't able to do it, of course, because of the structure, but I'm really glad we didn't because I feel like this space needed to just be cozy. You know, like it would have been too open. I don't know. I love it now.
This ceiling, I love.
Yeah.
So glad we didn't paint it. The sandblasting is beautiful.
That was the right decision.
My friend painted this for you of the landscape. I don't know if you notice anything.
On the painting, specifically in this region.
Yeah.
Oh,
What was that? That's frisbee. Oh, I love it. That's so cute. Yeah.
And then, you know, this sink was here originally, which is so beautiful. We had to keep it.
Yes.
The tiles, I had these hand painted by an artisan in Florence.
Beautiful.
And the olives, bringing in everything's been inspired by the landscape.
it works.
Yes, it works. You have a sink.
Oh, it's gorgeous. I absolutely love it.
You still have the living room beyond, so let's go
Okay.
see it.
Whoa. Oh my God, it's a completely different room.
Right?
Oh my God. It's amazing.
I want to jump on it.
Isn't it such a great space?
Yes. The light that comes into the room, I love it.
And then, of course, you have your pellet stove that'll warm up the space.
Yeah. The floor, it's gorgeous.
The handmade tiles. I mean, it's such a big difference.
Yeah, it really
It
is.
makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
And I love this room too because you just want to cozy up and have a
Exactly.
glass of wine and
Yeah.
just relax.
That's beautiful.
Yes.
I love it.
So your kitchen, we know you kind of saw a little bit of your kitchen, but now it's all completely
functioning,
done
hopefully.
and
Yes.
functioning.
Yes.
Wow. Look at this. Oh my God. This is a dream kitchen. It's gorgeous. Oh my God. I think now I just want to cook.
Yes. This is a spot to cook.
This was a stable.
It's crazy.
It's completely transformed. I love it.
And the marble from Carrara.
Yes.
I risked my life for this. I just kidding.
She really
I felt
did.
like it. I felt like it. Dave. There's nowhere to go. I don't feel like we should keep going.
Holy cow.
Whew. That was a drive. But I would do it again. It was pretty
The
amazing.
sink is gorgeous.
I know,
love
it's
the
so
sink,
pretty, the stone.
the finishings, everything. It's just perfect.
It works.
He's a typical guy. He wants to make sure everything is
I
working.
want to be sure. I'm more a cheese guy, you know, not the kitchen guy, but I love it.
So this next space changed, it evolved, right?
It has evolved.
I know we were trying to save money with the built-ins, but I actually feel like Plan B worked out perfectly. We can go in and go see it.
Okay. The pantry.
Pantry.
Pantry. Then, of course, we left the stone exposed, which I think is so nice because we wanted to keep as much of the original house as we could and preserve that.
Oh, wow.
I feel like this is going to be the place that you can welcome people, have wine tastings in here.
Yeah.
It feels like you're in a cave with a stone exposed.
Yeah.
Like, we could have just left the space open, but these doors complete this room, and it really elevates it, too. I mean, it's just so gorgeous.
Beautiful.
This is super nice.
But the same artisan who made the doors made the base, and then Dave and Silvio made this tabletop.
This piece of wood, 500 years old.
How cool. I'm like, that's amazing.
That's wonderful.
Something that, you know, it's a talking point. Okay, so this wine window. Jenny and I went to a winery in Montepulciano where all of these bottles of wine sat in nooks throughout this whole cavern. It was so cool.
You open them on a special occasion?
Exactly. Special occasion like for weddings.
What an amazing idea. So we wanted that, like just another amazing part of Italy. We wanted to bring that here. So these bottles store for special occasions.
What a wonderful touch. I love it.
And this ladder was in here. We pulled this out when we were cleaning this out. It's become such a cool, unique space.
Super.
All the tasting spaces. It's all about the wine and the cheese. Okay, we have more. Should we go upstairs?
Yes.
All right. Following you. Okay.
So excited. Can't wait to see. Whoa. Look at the floors, the light. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. The bed even looks beautiful.
So Dave made this olive wood headboard.
Kind of ties well with the floors.
It does, it's perfect.
I'm so glad you went with the olive wood.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, they're
I
stunning.
mean, it's so pretty. I want to like fly on it.
You can. They're yours.
Beautiful.
So beautiful.
I
Okay.
guess now that,
Yeah. Jump in there.
Here's the big transformation,
Yes.
right? You ready? Whoa, wow.
it's huge.
Yes. Oh, gosh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look.
It's a terracotta.
Wow.
Yes.
That's the terracotta.
No way.
Yes, go.
So
Look at it.
nice.
It's amazing. It's gigantic. It's like a.
Can we jump in?
We had to bring the tub in.
Very fragile tub.
Very fragile tub through this window. Pretty stressful.
Oh, my God.
The shower, we have a handmade tile in there so that it has nice texture.
It's wonderful that it's so spacious.
It is a lot bigger than a typical Tuscan shower, I would say.
sure
From what I
is.
see. Usually I'm very tight.
You could actually fit a whole bathroom into the shower. You could. European size, of
Yes.
course.
All right.
Really, really nice.
We have more rooms to see.
All right.
Let's go.
Okay. Let's go see this one. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so country.
I know, isn't
Yes,
it? So this bed Dave made as well.
This was some doors that we found in downtown Florence.
Yep.
And it looks great.
Same beautiful floors that are all throughout, and the bathroom in here is my favorite.
Oh,
It's
really?
great.
Wow. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh my God. I love it.
Isn't that cool?
What do you think?
Super cool.
So that is actually the trough wood from
From the stable.
No way.
Yes.
You found a way to use
Yes,
it.
isn't that
Oh,
beautiful?
that
so you
is
can
the
see,
best.
remember, it was worn.
Yes.
So this was the top where the animals would eat.
Yeah, the ball.
And we just flipped it and made it into a
That's so
sitting
smart.
vanity.
Oh, it's gorgeous. It is.
Oh,
It really
so
is.
glad.
I love
and
it.
again, a nice big shower. This is another handmade tile. This color, I love. The beams on the ceiling. This, I think, is my favorite shower because it's just so
Agreed.
warm.
I love it. Absolutely. Toilet with a view.
Exactly. Okay, we have one more
Absolutely.
room. Let's
All
go.
Oh, last bedroom. Wow. Feels much bigger. I don't know what you did. No. Oh. I mean, I love the rest. It's frisbee.
You guys crack me up. You have these amazing olive wood
I know,
floors.
and you're like,
I love the frisbee painting.
what a wonderful space. This is gorgeous. It feels so like light and beautiful. I love it. Might be my favorite.
Might be your favorite?
Oh, I love
Yeah, I
it.
think
We have
so.
the new bathroom.
And
And
there's
you have a
new
bathroom. The new bath, yes.
Okay, this used to be a closet.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. Look at the wallpaper. It goes so well with the tiles.
It's nice, I love it.
Yeah. Can you imagine, like, when people come and they experience this? This is like, I'm touched.
You want to invite everybody?
Yeah,
Instead of all our friends are coming every day.
Guys, it's so nice she wanted to come over today and see the reveal of the house. Let me take you guys upstairs. Dave and Jenny made this out of like an old door. Yeah, exactly.
Watching them walking around this house and taking it all in,
Yeah.
you can see how they want to use it to welcome other people here.
Yes.
That's what they care about. That's their heart. They are so hospitable. They are so generous with hospitality, and that's what this place is going to be.
I took out our cheese before, so we're going to try it for the first time.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And so that's why we were excited to be a part of this project.
Yeah.
And that's why watching them walk around, it was so rewarding and it's so good. I'm so glad it's done, but I'm so glad we got to do it.